Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. All right. Hope everybody had a good long weekend. There was no webcast Friday. I was traveling. So let's do a little overview here of what we're looking at. So look, we drew the box, right? Win the box, you have a chance for the next leg, and that's what the bulls are trying to pull off here. So you got a little holiday stuff in between, but the bottom line is it's above the 200-day exponential on the continuation chart. And you've got 1, 2 working on, they're working on an upper band ride. So what do the bulls have the potential to do? They have a potential to start walking up. And I mean, the conversation really starts with a test of the high at 40, 90, 75 if they can get there. Now that everybody's back at their desk this morning, we'll see what the bears can do as far as pushing back is concerned. I would not be surprised if we came all the way back in and started retesting the 100-day, retesting the top of the range. Door number 3, you're not going to like door number 3. Door number 3 is we're going to chop for about a week and consolidate up here. That actually, I think, is a pretty reasonable outcome considering the way the market is traded. The market has gone in little, wide range compressions, but compressions, and then lifted it or dropped into an area and then compressed again. And as long as it's doing that, that's very normal. We're still sitting here in January about halfway through, and we're going to have to see where this takes us. I think the point I'm trying to make is I would not go into this making a whole hell of a lot of assumptions at all. It's just going to get you into trouble. When people come in with a set, the market is going to X or the market is going to Y. First of all, that's all ego. That's like, look at me. I want to be right. I'm this, I'm that. Just trade the thing. Just trade the thing. That's all you got to do. So I was out in LA on Friday. We did one trade. We did a couple of trades, and we just, we rode it all day, and it ended up, 50 handle runner into the close. But that's not making any assumptions. That's just, looking at something that had come in, settled into an area, and it lifted off there. So let's look at the hourly chart. So Friday, they come in, they're like, oh, look, here we are. Down here, they open it up, they do 39.62, and they don't look very good down here. And they start lifting, and then you just get this whole Friday, slow lift up, and it just... The point I'm making is this. It's a hell of a lot easier, whether you're sitting at your desk or taking your kid on college tours in LA, to ride a trend, okay, than sit here and fight every little inch of it because you think being the operative word, because nobody pays me or you or anybody else to think, because you think that we should, there's another fun word that'll get your account in trouble. We think the market should be going down. Market doesn't care what you think. Market doesn't care what it should be doing. The market does what it does. And it's your job to deal with that and profit off of that in a risk-responsible way. It's not about being right. It's about, what does the tape want to do today? How do I take advantage of it? And that's it. That's really it. Then it's just about kind of being the ball. But when you inject all of these preconceived notions about what you think and what should and what this and what that, because you want to be right and you want to look smart, it's really hard to look profitable in those situations. So I would warn you, as we sit here in this other consolidation, stop thinking. Stop telling yourself what the market should be doing and just react to what it does do. And handle that in a risk-responsible way, and your account will thank you. Don't know where to start with that? Come see us. Simple as that. All right. Volume-weighted average price, 08.5. Proprietary moving average and hourly mid, 5-minute mid. It's all sitting between 08.5 and 09.5. So I wouldn't be surprised if that got a little look off of the open, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, I'm going to shut up now because we open in 5 minutes. I'll try to get this out. But expect whip and chop off the open while they kind of battle over this. If they lift up and over, though, they can go ahead and test the high from the holiday session Monday, which was like 28 quarter. All right. Have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Stop thinking, stop projecting what the market should do. Risk, profit plan. Come see us. Take care. Talk to you tomorrow. Trade them well.